What's up guys, it's me again, crushedpixel. Today I'm caught on this lonely island here and I really have no clue how to get away, but fortunately there is this button over here which says press to escape the isle. So, okay, my quest is to collect 5 wooden blocks and I probably have to put them in there. So, let me just collect them. Here we go. And put them in there. Okay, I have 1 of 5 collected now. Now 2 of 5, that's good. And let me just pick up some more. That should be enough. 3, 4, and 5. Quest complete. But why am I a noob? So the way this works is as simple as awesome. Everything we need is a mob spawner with some custom block data. And we just place down a mob spawner. And first what we need to do is we need to get the coordinates, obviously. These can also be relative coordinates. And then we type into a command block /blockdata and then the entity ID of pig, which is the default entity ID, and then we put the required player range to 0, so the mob will never spawn. This is already the current state. You see it's not turning because I'm not in the required player range because that's 0. Okay, and then here it comes to the hard part. Now I can say that the entity ID is WitherBoss, which will basically make it a wither spawner. And you can see up there we have the boss bar with the name Wither, and it has full health, but we can modify that using the CustomName tag inside the SpawnData. So if we want to name the boss bar score, we simply insert a CustomName tag, and after that we put the name. And we can also modify the health of the boss bar. We can set it to 150, which equals half of the boss bar, because the maximum health of a wither is 300, and you can calculate the percentage, whatever you want out of that. So if we set it to 150, it's going to be changed. We can also change both at once. So if I want to name wither 265, also set its score to that. You can see you can do everything you want with that. And there's also another cool fact. The range in which you can see the boss bar is of the wither spawner is 64 blocks. But if you want to reduce this radius, what you need to do is if there is an underground in your map, meaning there is some space that the player cannot reach, and you want to say on this level I only want it to be visible in a radius of 10 blocks, you simply need some Pythagoras to calculate it. So the formula is pretty simple. It's the square root of 46 squared minus the radius you want to have squared. So for example, I'm just going to write it here. This is the square root of 46 by 46, which equals 46 squared, or I can simply do it like this, minus the radius you want to have squared. So for example, in our case it's 10, but you can have any value you want there unless it's higher than 46, obviously. So this is what you simply calculate. In our case it's 63.21, but obviously you just simply round to 63. So you need the mob spawner 63 blocks below your surface to get a visibility radius of 10 blocks. And the formula for this is in the description. I hope this video was helpful to you, and in my opinion this is a great new way to have a boss bar without having ender dragons or withers. and see you in the next video. Bye!